What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? So what I got for you guys are my little drones modified. And what I did was I took the JST connector off of the board and added wires, and I resoldered it back. So now I have an extension or an extended version of the JST connector. Same goes with the Eachine e012. I took the micro JST connector off and added a regular 2.0 JST connector with the wire extended. Same thing with the cx95. Took it off the board, stuck it on a wire, extension. The reason I did that to all of these drones is so that I could run every single drone with these battery here. Alright? This battery here can fit all of these drones. So I'm gonna start off with the Eachine e012. Originally, the battery for this thing is it's right here. This is the original battery for the Eachine e012. Comes with the tiny micro JST connector, and in order to use this battery you gotta connect it in first and then slide the battery in. And then I was only limited to one battery and I want to keep flying this thing, so what I did was extended a JST connector to a 2.0 connector, and now I could put all of these battery. I can use the Eachine e010 battery in here. I can use JJRC battery in here. I can use cx95 battery in here. I could even squeeze in this big old battery, but it won't fly with this because it's too heavy. But all these other little ones, it works. So just to show you an example, I'll slide in a regular size, you know, not this micro one, but this is a regular size battery from the cx95. And when I plug it in, booyah, there it goes. And what's cool about this battery, I get anywhere from like 4 to 5 minute flight time versus this battery where it only gives me like 3 minutes. So that's pretty cool. Pretty nice modification there. I took a little pocket screwdriver, drilled a hole, pulled the antenna out. So now my frequency and my range is a little bit better than before. Plus with these battery too, super more power. Alright, that's that. Here's the Eachine e010 extension. I could fit every single battery, including this super long one. So I could put in this long battery, fits perfect, flies really good. And then when I plug it, there you go. Booyah! Check that out. This battery is awesome. I freaking love this battery. I get like 6 to 7 minutes of flight time, and the power it produces is wicked awesome. Stronger than the JJRC, stronger than the Eachine, stronger than the cx95. This battery here is super duper. Thinking of ordering more. I have 2 of them, so that's really good. I want to order some more to have more on hand. Alright, let's check out the cx95. Same thing with this one. I can slide in this really long battery. Boom. Plug it in. There's the lights. Everything works. Same thing with this one. 6 to 7 minutes flight time, and the power it produces is super. Especially for this little, you know, FPV cover alien head. gives it that little bit of extra weight, but with these batteries, it doesn't matter how much it weighs. This thing will freaking rip. Alright, so that's that. And if you guys notice, this wire and connector is an actual USB charger. I snipped it off because I have a multi-charger already, so I don't really need the USB charger. So I decided to snip off the JST connector and soldered it onto here, just so I could have an extension so I could run this super long cool battery. Yep. And yeah, that's basically it. That's the modification I did with all of these little drones. I added 2.0 JST connectors to all of them, just so I could run all of these batteries here. All of these wonderful little batteries. I really love them. So I'm gonna get more batteries so I could have more runtime. More runtime equal more fun. More fun equal more skills, more experience in flying 4-channel. But it's nothing new to me, so yep. Thanks for tuning in, guys.